Did you hear? We recently launched AHA Builder so that product managers can build prototypes and business applications with AI. What sets it apart from other tools is that you can collect user feedback directly in your application. This is a must for PMs who want to deliver real value. Here, I built a prototype and I moved it into production so that I can share it with my end users. It's fully interactive, which makes it the perfect opportunity to capture user input. You can see here I enabled feedback collection, and I customized it so that it fits really nicely in my app. All users need to do is simply click the button and share their thoughts. They can even capture a section of the screen so that you know exactly what they are referring to. All of the ideas land back in AHA Builder in the Feedback tab. You can review the details, update the status, and when you're ready to prioritize an idea, you can promote it to a feature or ask Elle to build it right away. Rinse and repeat until you have a super polished prototype that's either ready to hand off to engineering or turn into a full application in AHA Builder. In-app feedback helps you quickly turn user input into a more polished prototype. So go ahead and give it a try in AHA Builder today. There's a free 14-day trial so you can check it out for yourself.